This is an hospital API for COVID-19 patients, and there is a folder hospital API in which config folder is there, controllers folder is there, and models and routes is there, and here is the index.js which is for server. Now we have to go for config folder in which settings are there. There is two files in config folder, mongoose.js and passport.jwt strategy, in which we are using JWT. This hospital API is made up of Node.js by using Node.js, passport.js, Express, and Mongoose, and JWT, in which controllers is there, in doctors controllers is there, patients controllers is there, in the reports controller, in which registration of doctors and login of doctors is there in doctors, and such as patients. Registration of patients asynchronous function is there in controllers, and create report patient is found. Now report each and everything has been commented over here, and in models schemas is there. Doctor's schema is there. Schema for doctor whoever is in database is there. Schema for doctor name of doctor in doctor's schema, email, password, gender, and timestamps is there. No one's created and updated as there. And patient schema is there. Name, contact, gender. Age report. Reports of area of reports is there, which means a patient has many reports, and reports or this controller is also model schema is also there. And for each and everything, routes is there. API v1 folder in which doctors routes for registration routing is there, and for signing routing is there for doctors, and in patients routing patient registration is there, and routing of patients create post is there, and routing for all reports soon is there, like this report.js for routing of filter function from controllers is there. And now we will start the server. By node index.js. We can also start with npm start, and server is now we are connected to database MongoDB, and server is running on port 8000. And now we will go for Postman, and first we want to delete each and everything from the row authority, and which is reports deleted. Each and everything has been deleted, and go in Postman, and now registration of doctors has been there. Key of doctor name, email, whichever we have given the schema, email, password, gender. And now we will register for doctor for sending that data, and now doctor is successfully registered. Now we will register for log in the doctor with email and password key, and then send this. And here is a token generated over here, that is token, and in token there is settings, headers, payloads, and signatures, and we will be using this token in authorization bearer token in registration of patients, and the token is, I will paste this on that token for login of doctors, and then paste over here, and then send it, and then we can see that patient has been successfully registered. And then after again sending this, then we got the patient's data here, and now we can copy this ID from here to create report of that patient, and then I will send this ID to the link, and then we can see that Salu is the name of patient, and Salu report has been created. Now we can see that all reports of Salu has been there in all reports of Salu is there, and data of all reports has been there. And now we will go for robot 30 and refresh this, and go for hospital API and collections, and we can see one by one object ID of doctors is there, ID, name, email, password, gender, that has been created at, updated at, and patients and in patients reports of the patients has been there in array format, and reports of and in reports doctor, authorized doctor, that has been generated the reports, and patient's ID and status of that is travel quarantine, and created it and updated it has been there. And that's it for the hospital API.